Look at this channel. It has more than 13.5 million subscribers, and its popular video has nearly 100 million views. Maximum videos have over 10 million views. Not only this one, but look at this channel, and all of them have millions of video views. There are so many YouTube channels in this niche, all just uploading simple lo-fi beats with a straightforward background. You can also create this kind of channel without any music and editing knowledge. But how is that possible? Don't worry, I am going to share the step-by-step process of making a lo-fi channel with the help of AI. And yes, creating a channel is not enough. You have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. It's not an easy task. I will share a method of getting quick success, so don't skip any part of the video. Let's dive in. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot. Thanks. First of all, let's create some lo-fi beats. To create lo-fi beats, I will use an AI tool, Moobert. It's a music creator AI tool many content creators and artists are using to produce different kinds of music. Create an account. Create an account with your Google, Facebook, or email account. After creating a free account, start creating your music. Click on Generate a Track now. On the next page, you have to enter some data about your music track. This is the prompt box. Here, you can enter your text prompt to generate music, or you can select genres, modes, and activities from here. Let's start with genres. All kinds of music genres are available here. You can choose any one. I will choose ambient. Next, the moods option. I will select calm. In the next option, you have to select activities. For example, I want to generate sleeping music. I will come to the Sleep Activities tab and then select the sound type. This time, I will select Nature. All right, we have selected our music genres, modes, and activities. Now we have to select the track length. The default length is 45 seconds. I will change it to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. After all is set, hit the Generate Track button. Now, Moobert will take some time to generate the music. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. I think it's a perfect piece of sleeping music for nature activities. I love this track. Now, to save the track on your device, click on the download icon. From here, your music track will be added to the download folder. It will take some time to process. Let's create a piece of music with a text prompt. Click on Generate a Track from here. Now, give your text prompt. I will insert only lo-fi, and then change the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's generate the music. And here it is. It's created a beautiful lo-fi beat. That's amazing. Let's download it. After clicking on the download icon, come to the My Download tab. Here you can see our first track is ready for download. Click on the download icon. Now we have to enter our channel URL to solve the copyright issue. You should enter the channel URL where you will upload the music. If you don't have a YouTube channel and are not familiar with creating a professional channel, then follow the next steps. If you already have a channel or are familiar with creating a new one, then you can skip this part and start from image generation time. After coming to YouTube, sign up with a Google or Gmail account. Enter your channel name and YouTube handle. Ensure it's unique. If you need a name, ask ChatGPT for suggestions. For example, GPT, give me 10 name suggestions. Choose one you like. Before adding the name, create a logo and banner for your channel using Canva. In Canva, select Create a Design, then choose YouTube channel logo. Generate your own logo by entering a text prompt. like Music Wave logo and your channel name. Customize and download the logo. For a banner, create a design and customize it. Add your channel name, adjust colors and fonts, then download the image. With the name, logo, and banner ready, customize your YouTube channel. Insert the channel name and create a unique handle. Add a channel description, possibly generated by ChatGPT, and paste it into YouTube. In the Branding tab, upload your logo and banner. Set the logo as a watermark. Click Publish to finalize your channel. After publishing the channel, copy the channel link and then paste it into Mube. After that, click on the Continue button. Now, click on Agree and download. Your music track will be downloaded on your device automatically. Our first music track has been downloaded. Now, for downloading the second music track, click on the download icon of track 2 and click on Agree and download. Alright, our channel and music are ready, but we cannot upload the music directly. First, we have to create a video with this music. And for creating a video like this one, first, we need an image. You can generate an image with any kind of image generator. I will use Leonardo AI because it's free. After coming to Leonardo AI, select DreamShaper V7 as your featured model. Now, change the aspect ratio to 16.9. After that, enter your prompt. If you are not so good at prompts, you can just generate prompts with the prompt generation tool. Click on the prompt generation tab from here and then enter your imagination. For example, I am writing a cute girl listening to music wearing headphones, night dream. Leonardo will generate some prompts for you. Now, you have to select one prompt and then hit the generate button. If you don't like the image, you can generate it with another prompt. Even you can edit the prompt. Once you are satisfied with your image, download the image. Okay, our image is ready. Now, it's time to create a video with this image. For creating the video, I will use Camtasia. If you are new, create a free account CapCut and edit your video in mobile or desktop. Now click on Create a new project. Now, upload the image and the audio file. After uploading the files, first drag and drop the audio file into the timeline. After that, insert the image. Now, adjust the image length with the audio. I will add an effect to make the video stunning. Now, it's looking like a video. You can add some filters also. After all is set, export the video and then download it on your device. Now, our music video is ready. We can upload it on our channel. Upload the video with a proper name, description, and tags. Don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. Alright, our video has been uploaded. Now, let's talk about how you can get quick success on YouTube. To achieve quick success on YouTube, consider live streaming using platforms like OBS Studio or StreamYard. Live music often garners high views and watch time. If you want details on live streaming, comment below for a separate video on the topic. The second method for success is to avoid creating single music videos. Make longer videos, around 2 or 3 hours. Important note, Muber AI offers a free trial, generating 25 tracks monthly with attribution. The Pro version, with a commercial license, allows 500 tracks per month. Consider joining Muber's affiliate program for a free option. Click Become Affiliate. Fill the form and share your affiliate link in your video's description. Earn commissions to eventually upgrade to the Pro plan. Wrapping up the video, share your experience with creating a LoFi channel with AI in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. And thank you for watching. Until next time, happy creating.